Hey everyone, Vinayak here. You must be all familiar with the Amazon Fire TV, the streaming stick that made any TV with a HDMI port smart. It's pretty good, but with 4K now starting to be the norm, and with affordable UHD TVs becoming commonplace, the Fire TV needed an upgrade. In comes the Fire TV Stick 4K edition. Let's check this out. The Fire TV Stick has been my go-to device for watching any streaming content on my TV, like Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, etc. But it being only capable of 1080p, it's still a good choice, but I have a 4K TV as you all know, so I would like to use the capabilities that it has. Here's the Fire TV Stick 4K edition. The packaging is quite similar to the earlier Fire TV Stick, with everything compartmentalized by card paper separators. So first we have the instruction manual, the USB charging cable which is micro USB, two AAA batteries. I'm always grateful for included batteries. A power adapter to power your Fire TV from an external outlet if you don't have a USB port on your TV, and the new Alexa enabled remote. Also included is a HDMI adapter if your HDMI port is hard to reach. And now for the star, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Looks wise, it's the same as the older one except for the logo now being an Amazon smile other than the words Amazon on the device. Size wise, the new 4K stick is a bit bigger than the older one. This is the new remote, which is a step above the older one with an included IR blaster allowing it to control your TV volume and on-off state using this remote. Thank you Amazon, as I have one less remote to worry about. The TV's remote being least used and necessary only for the volume control, it always seems to be misplaced. Install the batteries, attach the Fire TV 4K to the HDMI port, power it on using the power adapter and the USB cable provided. If you have a USB port on the TV, you can use that directly. And we are off. First thing it asks for is the Wi-Fi password, and it installs updates. It reboots with new firmware and it asks for adding Wi-Fi credentials again. And now we are set. The Alexa option on the remote allows you to play music on the TV and ask it to play shows directly. It also allows for controlling your home automation. Turn on loud. The interface looks more brighter than the older device for some reason. Let's check out some 4K content. Playing a 4K sample on YouTube, I noticed that it didn't look very 4K, and checking the settings I found I was right. In order to watch 4K on YouTube, I manually set the resolution on the device to 2160p, which is 3860 by 2160 resolution, effectively 4K. Now that I have the base resolution of the device at 4K, YouTube now gave me an option to play 4K video. Even Netflix prompted me to shift to a 800 rupee per month subscription other than the 650 rupees which I was actually paying for. This supports UHD or 4K content on up to 4 devices. I know it is steep, but if you want 4K, this is the only way you can get it on Netflix. So content looked great and everything on YouTube and Netflix was looking great. Then I shifted to Amazon Prime Video. Prime Video was listing content available in 4K and I was quite happy until I played the content. In order for the content to play in 4K on Amazon Prime Video, we needed a 15 Mbps internet connection. So at 150 Mbps it was overkill at my end. But the TV needed to support HDCP 2.2, which is a protection mechanism so as to prevent recording, copying of the content. HDCP 2.2 seemed to be missing on my TV being the TCL L55P2 US, which I have reviewed earlier. and it not being a very expensive TV, so I have to agree that there could be some corners that might have been cut. While other services play at 4K on the same device, it's surprising that Amazon's own content doesn't play at 4K on this TV. I tried all the ports and made sure that HDMI ports were at HDMI 2.0, still no avail. I hope Amazon releases an update to allow content to play on these budget 4K TVs, as if this is not done, a lot of budget 4K TV owners will be really disappointed by this. So a word of warning, if you watch a lot of Amazon Prime content and you would like to view the same actually selected content in 4K, check your manuals and check if your TV supports HDCP 2.2. If it does, there's no problem at all, but if it doesn't, be warned. That's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.
Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.